Hello, welcome to Guide Glimpse. How to view last listen music in Spotify on phone. In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to view your last listen music on Spotify in your phone. So this is very useful when you don't know the music that you just listened to earlier and you want to know the title because you just didn't see it that quickly. So this video is for you if you are like that. So the first thing you need to do is open up your Spotify. Once your Spotify is open, click on the top left corner on your profile. After clicking on your profile, down below you will see listening history. This above settings and privacy, and click on listening history. And once you click on that, you will see all the music that you have listened to in this year. As you can see, here are all the music that I've listened to. There you go, guys. And that's how you find the music that you've last listened to. And a quick tip for you guys, if you want to save the music, just click on the music that you want. After clicking on the music that you want, just click the plus icon right here next to the profile of the character right here. Just click on that and it will be added to your library, to your favorites. So yeah, hope you guys enjoyed the video. Hope you guys like it. Thank you. If you like the video, please consider giving us a thumbs up and subscribing for more content like this. Thank you.